Bring it back.
Good morning, Panthers! Welcome to WPNN. My name is Francie.
And my name is Sophia. It's an amazing day to be a Panther.
Panthers, any students and or teachers interested in participating in the Puerto Rican Day Parade? It is this Saturday, September 23rd. If you're interested in helping, please contact Ms. Valles.
Send her an email or stop by her classroom room 5204 to sign up and share your ideas. Let's join the STEP team and bring a piece of heritage to the Palm Bay streets, celebrating with our Puerto Rican neighbors.
Students, the meeting for the Future Business Leaders of America will be held on the third Wednesday of every month, after school in room 5106. The next meeting is this Wednesday, tomorrow, September 20th.
The FBLA Google Classroom code is SDAZFKF.
Panthers, the 23 Homecoming Dance is this Saturday night from 6 to 10 p.m. here at Heritage.
Tickets are being sold on campus and will continue until this Friday, the 22nd, or until sold out.
Boys, are you interested in wrestling? If you're interested in being a Panther wrestler, there will be a wrestling meeting with Coach Degender in room 5203 this Thursday, the 23rd, immediately after school.
Spirit Week is happening this week, and by the looks of it, everyone has figured out that today is anything but a backpack day.
Tomorrow's theme is Barbie vs. Ken, Thursday is Barbecue Dad vs. Soccer Mom, and Friday is Class Color Day.
A reminder, the class colors are 9th grade white, 10th grade gray, 11th grade blue, 12th grade black.
A very important message for students that drive to school. The deadline to purchase your parking pass is September 29th. That's 1 week from this Friday. After that date, all students parking on campus without a parking pass will receive a citation and a discipline referral.
To purchase your parking pass, bring your driver's license, registration, proof of insurance, and $20 to Miss Santiago in the dean's office anytime after first period.
Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared.
Go Big Blue!